So in the red corner, Jay, done deal Davies. In the blue, Andy, Sly Goose Bird. So Davies centering at the moment, probing with that left jab. And then the solid rights afterwards, looking to back Bird up. Davies, 29 years of age, the younger man by a year. Now Bird looking to respond. Again, Davies probing with that jab with the left hand. Bird forced to tuck up. Needs to catch Davies as he comes in. Looks to respond. Davies looks for the uppercut on the inside, just misses. Left and rights from Davies now. But Bird tucks up nicely when Davies comes forward like that, so not taking much cleanly. So the pace slows, two big men in that ring. A lot of energy required to pump that blood around those muscles. Nice left from Bird. Nice turn though from Davies. Looks to throw his own right hand, but neither man landing particularly cleanly at the moment. And Lloyd Allen calls them on again. Davies turns. Bird looks for the right uppercut, doesn't quite land. And neither man's really managed to get those clean shots that can set up further shots that are scoring points. You've got to say Davies is the man pushing the pace in the opening round and possibly ahead on points for that very reason. So round two, and a nice start from Andy Bird there, double left, right hand. Davies, nice footwork though, turns nicely, looks to his corner for advice there in the centre of the ring. Bird though doing the pushing forward this time. I felt they were very close in the first round, but it was Davies doing the pushing and doing the probing. Now here in the opening of the second, it's still very close, but it's Bird trying to force the issue. Nice footwork again though from Davies. Gives himself opportunities to turn his man and work again when he's under pressure. I like that. He doesn't go back in a straight line when he's under pressure. Turns his man nicely and gets the opportunity to work himself again. And that right hand from him was the best shot of the fight so far. I don't think he realised that he actually possibly hurt Bird, who responds immediately. Now for the first time, they're getting through with clean shots. So it's very, very even as it stands at the moment. Bird looking to push forward again. Davies looking to catch him on the way in. But it's still tight, it's still close. Not a lot of points between them, I'm certain here. And again, Davies looking to respond as Bird comes in. But it's tight. Still everything I feel to box for as we come towards the end of the second round. Nice right hand from Bird. Davies responds and just throwing that a little bit more as his man comes forward. Throws with the jab once more. Bird responds. Maybe, just maybe, red ahead at the moment. Third and final round. And can one of these two men really drag up the extra bit of energy here to get in a sustained assault and really build up the points? Holding and hitting there. Bird doesn't like that from Davies. And away they go again. Bird adjusts his headgear and they have a good look at each other before they start. As I said, two big men. A lot of energy expended. And again, you can see what Davies is trying to do. Wait for Bird to come in and respond. And nice movement again. from the man in the red corner. Probes with his jab once more. Bird looking to push forward again. And then just that extra little bit of combination work from Davies. Nice left there though from Bird. He's got a good left jab. And this is close. I feel that maybe Davies just on work rate, just. Neither man's really been hurt. Neither man's really had to drag to the depths when they've been hit hard. And as a result, this is very, very close. I just feel that maybe when they both work, that Davies just puts maybe one or extra two shots like this in his combinations that will catch the judges' eyes. And it's a good finish to the third round from the man in the red. And I really felt that if one of the two men could drag it up and really work hard, they would reap the benefits. And for me, it's definitely Davies now. I've got a feeling that at this late in the fight, this could be key to him taking this bout. And Bird is getting a count. He's saying I'm okay. He's showing the referee that I'm fine. He's ready to go again. Looks to his corner to prove it. But with just 10 seconds left, I really feel that third round burst could be vital for Jay Davies taking this bout in what has been close until then.